I also want to shift focus now to what's happening in the city of Mumbai. It's pretty much the same script that's playing out. But in Mumbai, the cases have gone up to an even higher level than that of Delhi. If yesterday we were telling you about how Maharashtra overall, there were 18,000 plus cases. Now in Mumbai alone, you're seeing cases go up to a whopping 50,000 COVID cases. And these are daily infections. Now, I can tell you that 3 deaths have also been reported in the financial capital in the last 24 hours. Mumbai has therefore reported nearly 50,000 cases in the last 5 days alone. The positivity rate in the city is now near 20%, which means 20 people out of every 100 being tested are now testing positive. The virus hasn't spared our frontline workers. Nearly 160 resident doctors in Mumbai have also tested positive for COVID. Mumbai has over 35,487 beds available for COVID patients, out of which 14.4% of beds are occupied by patients so far. To stop the spread of the virus, the Maharashtra government has already imposed a night curfew from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., which remains in effect till 15th January. Restaurants, bars are operating at 50% of seating capacity. Section 144 is in place in Mumbai. Now, that order comes to an end tomorrow. We'll have to see if it's extended further. As far as big events, congregations are concerned, only 50 people are allowed. That's the limit on people gathering in closed spaces.
रेस्ट्रिक्शंस के बारे में हम लॉकडाउन यह परिभाषा अभी करने वाले भी नहीं है और लॉकडाउन का आज इमीडिएटली सोचने वाला बात भी नहीं है, लेकिन निश्चित तौर पर रेस्ट्रिक्शंस को और ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट करना, यानी जो निर्बंध लगाए गए उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना, ये चैलेंजिंग काम है और ये होना ज़रूरी है। हमने 15 फरवरी तक कॉलेजेस बंद करने का निर्णय लिया है, ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम करने का भी निर्णय लिया है और ये मैं अकेले ने निर्णय नहीं किया है। कल हमारे सब जो महाराष्ट्र के जिलाधिकारी है, हमारे कमिश्नर लोग हैं, उनके साथ हमने बातचीत की, उन्होंने फाइनल किया है कि ऐसा करना ही उचित रहेगा। और मेरे ख्याल से जो हमारा स्टाफ है, शिक्षक है, शिक्षकेतर कर्मचारी है, उनको भी 50% महाविद्यालय में या विद्यापीठ में लाया जाएगा और रोटेशन से उनको काम दिया जाएगा।
Let's take this across now to Pankaj Upadhyay. He's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates. Pankaj, good morning. Very grim news coming in from Mumbai. You know, we're now seeing cases, and I just want to highlight how in Maharashtra it was 18,000 yesterday, and now in Mumbai alone it's 15,000 plus COVID cases. That itself shows you how fast the virus is spreading. Now, the health minister, we just played out what he said also. He's ruled out any possibility of a lockdown, but stricter enforcement is what the government is focusing on.
Good morning, Akshita. So, situation, as you rightly pointed out, remains grim in Mumbai. While on 21st of December, the test positivity rate was 1%. Today, it is more than 20%. So, between 21st of December and today, Mumbai has added nearly 47,000 active cases. Just goes on to show the ground reality. As far as the Chief Minister is concerned, he is going to take stock of the situation because the COVID task force members have said that lockdown is not necessary at this point of time, but there needs to be stricter restrictions at non-essential activities because they attract a lot of crowd. So what that means is the Chief Minister will be taking a call now whether and where all more restrictions are needed in the state. Mumbai has more than 500 Omicron cases now. Yesterday, only 100 cases were added. And while in the second wave, it was in the month of April that Mumbai peaked with more than 11,000 cases and took around 50 days. In the third wave, Mumbai took just around 15 days and peaked with more than 15,000 cases. But the BMC officials maintain that there is nothing to worry and the situation is under control, mainly because of the fact that more than 90% of the cases are asymptomatic and there is just 1% of hospitalization. But still, the state government, the BMC officials and healthcare experts are appealing to the people that they need to wear masks at all times in public places. Will you imagine, Akshita, BMC has collected more than 84 crores just as fines from Mumbaikars, for not wearing face masks in public places. And that's what people are, and experts are saying, not to treat Omicron as a common cold. This needs to be taken very, very seriously. The numbers are on a rise, and it really remains to be seen whether restrictions are going to be posed for local trains and other means of transportation in Mumbai.
You know, we've said this endless times. It's not just upon the administration, but upon all of us to ensure that, you know, the cases come down. And with the kind of violations we're seeing, clearly people aren't taking this seriously. Pankaj, thank you very much for joining us with all of those details.